Good morning, students. My name is Neha Singh, your social study teacher. I hope you all are healthy. Please be at home, stay safe, and study more. So, children, if you remember that we were discussing about the geography chapter, natural vegetation and wildlife. So till now we have discussed what is natural vegetation. We have also discussed different type of forests, and we have also discussed about grassland and shrubs. These were the categories of the natural vegetation. Whatever grows naturally and that is of different types because of the different climatic conditions all over in there, about the different soils, so that differs from place to place. We have already discussed about different types of forests. Today we will discuss about the vegetation. Actually what happens, the Mediterranean vegetation, as the name suggests, it is from the west and southwest of margins of the continents. So it is basically from the sea, that Mediterranean Sea, like Europe, Asia and Africa. These are the places where you will see mostly the Mediterranean vegetation. Now comes the point about the type, then when type, which time the vegetation is more observed, we can see there. So in the hot dry summer during, we will be able to see most of the vegetation. What is the type of fruits you will get in this vegetation? Mostly we will find the citrus fruits like olive, like orange, like grapes. We will find mostly these type of fruits in which vegetation? I repeat it again, children, Mediterranean vegetation. And one interesting thing about this vegetation is that near this vegetation we will find very few wildlife, means animals you will observe very few in this vegetation belt. So what were the points? That it is, you will find the citrus fruits and less animals, and it is in the period of very hot dry summer. This was all about the Mediterranean vegetation. Students, as you will read further in the chapter, you will come across the topic coniferous forest. The spelling is CONIFEROUS, forest. So let us discuss what is this forest all about. So this forest is also known as taiga, TAIGA. The trees you will observe in this type of forest will be very tall, and where they are found in high degree latitude, means like from 50 to 70 degree of the northern hemisphere. I repeat, of the northern hemisphere. So this type of forest you will mostly found in the northern hemisphere. The trees are very tall. So which trees are tall? For example, you will find about the pine, about the trees you will find there, and mostly you will find the kedar trees there, and cher trees also there. These all trees are very tall. So wherever you see the tall trees, it means it can be about the coniferous forest. What about the animals, the wildlife? Which animals you will find? you will find silver fox there, very commonly in the coniferous forests. The most important thing to remember in this topic is that from this we get the pulp from the trees. Now you must be thinking, what pulp? What is the use of that pulp? Children, that pulp is used for making the paper, the newsprint. And I don't think I have to explain that how important paper is for us. Every day we are, in fact, our books, copies, newspapers, so many things, hardboard, cardboard, many things are used through paper, and those paper are made from the pulp that we get from these trees. And these trees are found in the coniferous forest. Children, you must have seen matchboxes. There are small sticks and soft also, like not very hard. They break very easily. That is called the softwood. That is also found from the coniferous forest. So it is a very, I guess, important and useful forest for us, because these are providing us so many things. So children, I hope you have understood the topic. Please go through the worksheet, go through the book also line by line. Whichever line you feel it's important, you can underline. Do join the live classes, watch the video, and in any doubt you can definitely ask in the live classes. So for the further topics regarding the same chapter, we will meet in the next video. Till then,